Hi everyone, I'm Anjali. My topic is UCC Uniform Civil Code. The concept of Uniform Civil Code is derived from the DPSP, which is known as Directive Principle of State Policy, which is not in a new law. Our Constituent Assembly borrowed the DPSP from the Irish Constitution in 1937, which was borrowed by the Spanish Constitution. The Chapter 4 of the Constitution of India defined DPSP in Article 36 to 51. 61. Article 44 of the Chapter 4 state the State Uniform Civil Code, which say the state shall endeavour to secure the citizens or uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Through Article 37 says that the DPSP shall not be enforceable by any court, which is debatable topic ongoing. There are several judgments in which court to define uniform civil code and say that UCC has been in talk due to several observations done by the Supreme Court in case like Sarla Mughal and others versus Union of India, Mohammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbano Begum, and Jordan SS Chopra case. The Uniform Civil Code birthed in India from the 1834. Year 1834, it was constituted under Section 53 of the Charter Act 1833 with Lord Macaulay as it had the non-Hindus and non-Muslim live in Presidential area had their laws. Thank you.